Welcome back, creators.
That's right, welcome back. What are we going to draw today?
We're gonna draw another unicorn.
Okay, let's do another unicorn. Let's start with the shape of the face.
Okay.
Start by drawing the letter U. Now let's draw the ear. Very good so far. Now let's draw 2 circles inside the face. Those will be the eyes of the unicorn.
Okay.
Next, we will do the muzzle, the area that includes the nose and upper lip. Let's add the mane of the unicorn. Let's ask a question for all the creative kids watching us now.
Okay.
Do you remember from our last unicorn video, what's the name of the unicorn horn? Leave your answer in the comment section. Moving forward to the body of the unicorn, pay attention. This is a tricky one. Start below the head and draw a curvy line downwards. Draw a straight line at the end of the line we just draw, and then another short one going up. Not too long, as this is the leg of the unicorn. From the end of the last line, let's draw a small semicircle. This is the belly. Once this is completed, start drawing another leg similar to the one we just did. Similarly, sketch the 2 front legs, keeping in mind that our unicorn is in a rearing position. Great job! The last things we need to finish are the tail and the remaining part of the mane. Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.